There are many products available to choose car interior cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car interior cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner. For strong, no-frills cleaning power, look no further than Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner. We chose it as our second best car interior cleaner for its simplicity and effectiveness, and because it's also safe for use on fabric and carpet. There's no scent, no residue, and its clear color gives us confidence that it won't stain. Griot's took off normal grime with ease and smashed our butter test. The comparatively large 22-ounce bottle is nice too, and should last a while. The only drawbacks? It doesn't work on screens or glass and lacks any UV protection. But we're willing to sacrifice that for the fantastic cleaning power and the compatibility with textiles. Number 2. Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner. For those of us who want a quick, cheap spray to clean our car's interior, Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer does the trick. The cleaner works decently, passing our butter test, and leaves behind neither streaks nor residue. It's not as strong as other cleaners on this list, and it has a slight scent. But it does feature a protecting agent to keep surfaces looking clean longer. This is a 24-ounce bottle, so it may be more than you need. But for a cheap, quick interior cleaner, this is the best budget choice. It's also available in handy wipe form. Number 3. Carfidant Ultimate Cleaner. While this is strictly an interior cleaner test, Carfidant Ultimate Cleaner also cleans various exterior parts. Hey, we like 2-in-1s. The cleaning power is evident. It aced our butter test and cut through existing grime easily. Carfidant says this stuff can clean exhaust tips, degrease an engine, and remove bugs from your windshield. While we didn't test any of those claims this time, we believe that its strength makes it capable of such tasks. The scent is quite strong, and it's one of the pricier cleaners on our list, but the versatility outshines both issues. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant from Chemical Guys actually cleans all interior surfaces and is safe to use on everything, including glass and screens. It's got great strength too, acing our butter test, see below. The cleaner also doubles as a protectant, meaning it'll shield your dashboard and other interior components from harmful UV rays. The only knock? We aren't a fan of the scent, it's strong. But if that doesn't bother you, you can't go wrong with this choice. Hot tip, a wipes version of Total Interior Cleaner is also available. While we didn't test the wipes against the other cleaners here, they're perfect for on-the-go cleaning and quick wipe downs. Just stash a pack in your glove box. Number 5. Mother's Speed Interior Detailer. There isn't anything inherently wrong with Mother's Speed Interior Detailer. We just feel the other sprays do the job better. This stuff boasts solid strength. It passed our butter test and didn't leave any residue behind. However, it's got a slight cleanery odor, and we noticed a few streaky spots after drying. It's not bad, not great. The sprayer nozzle had a nice spread for what that's worth. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.